now come in market with Parik, and flexible packaging is going to be a key area in the development, whether it is global or the emerging markets. So I think Constantia was referring to a lot of the stick packs. I think all these are the new technology which is already getting into it. The consumer friendliness, these are the few areas. I was looking at Constantia, I was looking today at the ITW one. I think these are the two. ITW is talking about all automation in the secondary packaging, and primary packaging. Constantia touched base on those. So as a Nestle person, I'll say that we focus on few areas, and it contains products. These are the few things which always we remember before we design a packaging and develop it. The purpose of the packaging, end of the day, it's always, the barrier, physical protection, containments, information, transmission to the consumer, then marketing, anti-counterfeiting, convenience, portion. So if you look at all this, always we look at the packaging as a holistic way to go for the consumer. So once these are there, then we talk about all the primary packaging. So I'll straight come to the key drivers. If you look at it, this is Nestle. We also talk about few things which is around this. Nestle has already gone into the next level of packaging for market. It's a premium packaging. We talk about sharing the message. It's a new concept. So it's always going exceed consumer expectation also. So I think we have to always look at in the innovation in packaging, how do you really exceed consumer expectation? So you have to look beyond, and this is something which is close to our Nestle philosophy and close to my heart. It's the passion, and I always look at that it's fit into my way of looking at it. Compliance is very important topic again, because food safety compliance in food is I think it's one of the main point which always we all food industry should drive in, because that's how you will be able to achieve to the best, and you will be, the consumer always expect that trust in the brand, and we cannot look at any point where this is sacrificed. So I think food safety compliance is very important topic. Then cost effectiveness is what emerging market always looks at, cost effectiveness in the packaging. How do you make it that you give value to the consumer, what they pay for it? So that's very important topic, and there I looked at our Maggi as one of it, which we are giving it all over the pan India, and it is being circulated, distributed, and it is one of the 5, I think now it's the 5th leading brand in the food category. Then sustainable glass is there, the coffee we came out, and this is glass packaging is still the most, I think, inert as well as the sustainable way of looking at it. So with this, these are our key drivers, and this is a key driver not only for Nestle, and it is also for the global food industry, the safety, compliance, and people. What is new reality? If you look at the new reality, again, I saw in Constantia presentation, I think we are very aligned. It's an aging population. Aspiring, we are looking at protection from moisture, spoilage, minimum requirement, reuse for larger. So they always look at how the reusability is there, in the packs. Prefer small sachets for one-time use, because they want to first try out it, and also the affordability, the price point which they have to maintain. Seeking and striving India, what they are looking at, protection from moisture, spoilage, so premium look, better product, freshness, easy opening, usage and storage. Touching on primary packaging trends, if you look at, lot of thing has been discussed, and lot of thing I can explain. I can show you many pictures. There are a lot of places where you can have access. Mental is there, GNPD and all. You will see plenty of new technology coming in the packaging. It's a few things which we touched base, like the aluminium free laminates, is a key packaging direction. You have to reduce from 3-ply to 2-ply, make it recyclable, this kind of down gauging, and aluminium free laminate is one direction where we are looking at. Flexible pouch, toy bag with spout, you have seen in the market. We have certain product, and this is a convenience again, add value, add dye pack, it is much better, easy to dispose, and so that's the way direction is new packaging. We have cup noodles in the packaging, and you see that's again something which is on the go. How you really design a packaging, with the fork given inside, then you now the new technologies are like the in-mold labeling which has come. Those are the new side of the labeling design which will come in. This is the new trends which will follow in. Thermal insulations for chocolates, this is the new side of the packaging, which is also a how do you protect packing even in the certain minimum, with the minimum packaging, but taking care of the store, the melting of the chocolates, So there are insulation packaging. A lot of work is going on around the world to ensure that it is able to stay between 25 and 30 degree, even not in the cold storage and in the outside on the shelf. High barrier transparent packaging. High barrier transparent is very key packaging requirements, for the market, because people wants to see the product. So there are a lot of work going on. I showed this high barrier because there are new packaging materials coming into the business. It's you see Alox is there, SIOX there are a lot of new packaging material where high barrier technology is coming, where you can minimize to monolayer and go into this kind of packing in the flexible also. There are many new advanced flexible packaging material is in the market. In-mold level containers is a new trends in the injection molding. I think this is another area where a lot of work has happened in the yogurts business and the ice cream business, you can see, but in the food business or a nutrition business, it has to catch up more and more. Paperboard trays replaced this speed. This is a sustainability side of it, and this is also a lot of work is going on in this direction, making it barrier as well as going for a paperboard trays. Cryovac plus improved logistics, this is something like tin can replacing with the cryovac films, which are on the pouch forms, and McDonald's or any other companies are looking at this kind of changeovers.